This video is regarding our mongoDB database connection with our ExpressJS application, which I believe you already have built. So first of all, let's terminate or remove this database because basically we would like to create a new one. So let me delete this record. So I should type the same name just to delete. Now I will hit terminate. So you can see the cluster is shutting down. That means it is removing it. Meanwhile, those of you who have not yet created your MongoDB Atlas account, you may go forward and try to create. You just register and create your account in MongoDB Atlas. So let me show you just a brief walkthrough. So let me log out. So whenever you go to the MongoDB Atlas website, it will show you something similar to this page, right? So it is up to you that if you have not yet been signed up, you just sign up and register so that you could create your account. But since I already have my account, I would be logging in. So I would type the username password which I have for logging in. So we'll do next. So I will give the respective password. Now if I click login, it should show me. Now it is logging me in, right? So now the next job should be I should be clicking on my database so that I would like to create my new database, right? So you would see something like similar to this. So click on build a database and you would land up on this page. So for now we are just learning. So for the learning purpose, click on MO free. Otherwise you would have to pay for the service which you are using. So our nearest region would be it would be Mumbai, right? So we will choose Mumbai. The name of your cluster, since we have done in class also about book database creation, we will name it as book record and just hit on create after all of this. So this thing's prom up. So you have to select the braces. So I will just select some braces here. Okay, so we are done. We are in. Now here we would like to create our username and the password so that using this string we can connect, right? So I will remove all these things. So my username is something like I will call it Soram, and then the password I will XYZ123 something, right? Create user. So my password was XYZ123 and the username is this one. So it is up to you. So respective of your choice, you can select whatever you want and you can create your username password and it will be done. So here one thing is uh, if you have not got any IP access list, what you have to do is you have to generate the IP address so that it can be connected from anywhere, right? So You can click on this one, network access page. So after clicking here, you will be landing up on this page. So you can click on this one, add current IP address, or you can delete this, add IP address, right? So it is better if you choose this one, add current, allow access from anywhere, so that you don't have to set up your IP address, or you don't have to give the specific IP address. This is just for learning purpose, so we are going ahead with this allow access from anywhere. You can also give your own IP address, but that would be more relevant if you are in a company, or uh, if you are developing for the company. But since we are doing it for the learning purpose, we will be going ahead with this one. So now I will create. So it's taking a little bit of time. So the IP address should be 000, right? And it should not be uh, your laptop or your computer IP address. So yes, we have created our IP address so that it can be accessible from anywhere, right? So now our job is go back to the database. Now you would find this book record being created, because we have created our database, first database. So if you click on browse collection, you will also find, okay, since we have started fresh, we will not find any collection or any data in our database, because we have not created anything, or we have not post anything in our database. So what we have to do is, we should go back to our database, and to connect with our ExpressJS or Node.js application, what we should be doing is we should be clicking on the connect. So here this will pop up. Now it will say connect your application, access through tools. Since we are connecting with our ExpressJS, we will select this, the first option, which is connecting to our application. So we will click on this. So here we just have to grab this string. So you can just click on this one. So it will just be copied. So this has been done. So now we will close this. Now go back to the code which I have uploaded, or the one which you are developing. So I would like to have back to my code, and this is the string, right? So this is the string, this is the username, this was the password for the previous connection. But now we would change this. Now I will remove all of this. Now I will paste the copied string, right? So here my username is this. So it might be different in your case. Now just change the password to something like XYZ123, which we have created while we were creating the database, right? So save this. Okay, so now you can open your terminal and just start your server. So what was the name? Node index, right? That was the file. So I have started my server, mongoDB connection successful. So this is what you should be getting at the last moment. This is what you should be getting, because this indicates you are successfully connected to the MongoDB at last, which is nothing but our MongoDB cloud, right? So the main important thing was this string, which we grab it from here, from our created database, right? So this much is needed for our database connection. So you can rewatch the video, and uh, you can just go through this once more, and you can create according to your need. So that's it, guys. Yeah, have a great day.